one-level living with this custom all-brick home. Renovations in 2011 included gourmet chef's kitchen, providing a 6-burner Wolfe gas range, hood, microwave, sub-zero refrigerator, wine cooler, granite counters and cherry cabinets. The design of the floor plan offers flexible space with the master and 1-bedroom down in 2 rooms and full bath upstairs. An elevator takes you to the 2nd floor, making it an optional mother-in-law suite. The impressive master bath is beautifully updated with abundant cabinets and a huge shower. 12-feet ceilings, tall windows with transoms and several French doors flood the open floor plan with natural light. The 1st floor offers an office with a 2nd fireplace, formal dining room and family room with a vaulted ceiling, gas fireplace and built-in cabinets. Enjoy movie night with a custom 3rd floor media room. The 3-car garage is